The Robobloq Q-Scout STEM Coding Kit is an exceptional educational tool that introduces children to programming through a progression from simple drag-and-drop Scratch to more complex Arduino and Python coding. This versatile robot offers multiple interactive modes, including remote control, obstacle avoidance, music playing, and route following, which enhances creativity and concentration during play. Assembly is straightforward with 3D instructions, allowing parents and children to build the robot together in 30 minutes, fostering hands-on skills and strengthening family bonds. The DIY aspect of the Q-Scout, with its open-source compatibility, enables endless customization possibilities using various electronic modules and parts. Constructed with high-quality materials such as thicker alloy, durable ABS, and stable rubber tires, the Q-Scout is designed for both indoor and outdoor adventures across different terrains. Beautifully packaged, the Robobloq Q-Scout makes a perfect educational gift for children, igniting their curiosity in robotics and programming on special occasions.